All right, here's the box that came the other day. Actually came yesterday from Amazon. My wife does all the ordering, but I tell her what I needed and she'll just do the ordering. I did already slice it open here. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Nothing big. Put that aside. And here's what it is. 16-piece titanium hex shank drill bit set. I got this here just basically for the two larger sizes of 5/16 of an inch and 3/8, which is 9.52 millimeter. I got these here for that. As you see, I'll show you what I do have already. But let's open this up here. All right, here we are. Nice and organized. 16 pieces, 3/8 being the largest and 1/16 the smallest. Nice. I do not have, well, other than that 5-piece drill index box that I have. But that'll be nice. This will come in handy. Anything bigger than 3/8, I go with a regular. I don't go with hex. I go with a regular drill bit on it. This is what I have now as far as the hex bits go. And I do have quite a bit of them size, but I do not have the 5/16 or the 3/8 to make a full set, even though I have over here. I got a set here, and but I mean 5 is nowhere near the size that you need sometimes. And I have them here together with elastics on different sizes and so forth. So I did need that to get a nice set, just to get the 5/16 and 3/8 bigger sizes. How you doing, folks? G here for Revviews and Tools and a number of other things under the sun. Trying out this selfie stick here. Seems to do pretty good. Have a good day. Ciao. All right, here we are. Nice and organized. 16 pieces, 3/8 being the largest and 1/16.